So over here, you can see that I have this particular object right here. And then let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy this particular object. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then it copies out a project right here just like this. So this is a traditional method to go ahead and copy out an object. Another thing that you can do is you can go ahead and select out the object, and then what you can do is you can go around over here onto Edit, and then you can go ahead and copy this project out right here, and then you can simply go to Edit and paste in place right here just like this, so that it pastes in the same section. I can now use the move tool to go ahead and move it wherever I want. But if I were to go around and choose paste right here, then it follows out your mouse right here and you can paste it in place. And this is what you have. So now, apart from this, you can go ahead and select this particular tool, selection tool. And let's say, for example, I'm going to hold Shift to select all of them together. And now what you can do is you can go ahead and copy and then paste it out right here to create multiple copies of the same object at once, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and copy out objects inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.